So in this video, I will show you how you can essentially almost double your battery life on your iPhone. And if you're one of those people that use an iPhone on a day-to-day basis and you're realizing your battery doesn't actually last you a full charge throughout the day, what we can do is change some of these settings to try and improve that. So step number one, what we need to do is we simply want to go ahead and lock our device here. So once we have locked our iPhone here, we can then simply click on hold down on our device here and then click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now what this will do is it will bring us over to our wallpapers, and essentially what we need to do is go through and we want to find a wallpaper that is not actually going to battery drain our iPhone. Now the ones that are the best for these are the dark ones. So one like this right here, so the astronomy one. You've got different ones here that you can use which are not as bright and use less battery when you are operating. So you can go through and you can choose one of the darker ones, and once we select a darker one, if you enable this, that will then allow you to go ahead and use less battery even when you are not using your iPhone, for example. So once we have done this, the next step is to add on back. So if we cancel, we can go over back over to our main homepage here, and the next thing that we need to do is go over to our settings, and from our settings we need to scroll down and click on the option for battery. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to go down and click on view all battery usage. If you scroll down, you will then see all of the apps that are currently using battery on your device. And if you see anything unusual here that might be running in the background, what you want to do is you want to go through and you want to disable and uninstall that specific app. So for example, if I've got YouTube here, for example, and it's just running in the background and draining my battery, what I would want to do is get rid of that specific app there as long as you don't use it. Now what we can do then is we can go on back to our main homepage here, and then if we go down to battery health, you just want to check your battery health and make sure that this is currently at normal. As you can see here, I have got around 497 cycles, which means I've got 497 full cycles from charging obviously overnight. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the top here, and if it says battery health is normal, that should mean that your battery health is very good and it should hold charge throughout the day, and it should last you a full day of charge even if you are using your iPhone on a day-to-day basis when you are commuting or you're out and about. What else we can do is if we then go back over to the main homepage here, we can then go down to the power mode, and if we go to power mode you can also select adaptive power. What this will do is it will use adaptive power and it will change the power consumption based on the activities that you are currently doing on your iPhone. So it could be that sometimes the iPhone will change the brightness of your display, or some things may take a little bit longer to load up, but if you enable adaptive power mode, it should then help with your battery drain and help your battery life to last a lot longer on iPhone. So there is 3 or 4 things there what you can go ahead and try to help sort out your battery problems that you are having, guys. If this video did help you out and if you're going to try any of those, let me know in the comments and let me know how they work for you. And if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.